What is your say about this? Because yesterday even the TCP minister said that if portfolios or distribution of powers has to be done, it has to be done as early as possible because code of conduct could come into force. And what is your say also?
See, first and foremost, what Vijay said, I endorse that opinion. With one very important thing, because in absence of CM, the accountability of bureaucracy who is running this area is becoming a part of a grey area. So Taja Khatir, I have been also vocal in the last couple of months saying that we need to move fast. Expectations of the electorate, the people of Goa has to be understood, and we have to deliver as per the requirements of the state. They we need to ensure that momentum is to be picked up and we need to move fast. Taja Khatir, whether it is to delegation of more powers or portfolios or ensuring that the administration runs very clearly through the ministers of the government, which very importantly all legal processes followed, need to ensure that we run this government effectively, aggressively, and ensure that whatever things have gone slow maybe in the last couple of months, we need to speed up and meet up to the expectations. So Taja Khatir, Vijayan Mulla, as I endorse it, I think certain decisions have to be taken fast by the BJP party, which is in the interest of the health of the state and also in the interest of the development which is required today.